Wifey, Jaden, don't go to that, baby. This is surf fishing is all about. You bring your family, enjoy the beach, kid have a good time, and waiting for the fish to get bite. Guys, I got my sand clear, rigged it up right here. I'm gonna put this guy in there and cast it into those cut right there, little foams right there, just right inside that deeper cut right there. So they're kind of right there. If they're coming in, they're gonna see that. So basically the big one usually like to come in like that and get back out, you know. So hopefully today. Alright, hopefully they are school of them coming by or something. Go. That's the pompano guy. Jaden, get it on right now. Tie a little bit. That's it. Okay. Lift it up. Keep reeling.
Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah, I know. That's a big pump. Jaden's on right now, guys. Keep reeling, buddy. Keep reeling. Don't jerk, okay? Just keep reeling. Awesome, man. Keep reeling, buddy. Come on. If it get close, walk back, okay? Don't jerk. That's a good fish. That's a good fish, Jaden. Easy. Just keep reeling. Don't make it slack, baby. Keep reeling. Yeah, come on. Keep reeling. Focus. Just hold it tight. Come on, walk back. Reel. Come on, keep reeling. I see him, big pompano. Come on, baby. Keep reeling, reel. Oh yeah, that's a big pump. Reel back, reel, walk, reel. Don't back. That's a good one, Jaden. Jaden, get on some solid. Jaden on right now. Good job, boy. Keep reeling, look like a pompano. That's all right. It's something. Go that way. Go, keep reeling first. So, I don't know where you are. Keep reeling, buddy.
I'm over that one.
Come on.
It's probably like a...
Come on, walk this way. Walk this way. Go that way. All the way to the end. Okay.
Did you see right?
No, that's a pompano. Keep reeling, buddy.
That is so right.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Don't jerk.
Give me the pop. Get over here.
Keep reeling. Walk back when you get close. Honey, go down. Wait. Honey, go down. Chung. Yeah, boy, let's go. He's far. He run far. Keep reeling. You tie your jack a little bit. All right, keep reeling. Don't play around too much. Keep reeling. Why don't you hold up a little bit, Jaden? Up here a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Can you get up again? Come up this way. Ah, you good, you good. Oh yeah, you can get up. Okay, now you're good. Come on, buddy. Keep reeling, bud. I told you to kill the jack a little bit. Okay. Rod up. Oh, you feel it. Don't jerk. You keep jerking all the time. I don't get it. You hold it too far down. Right here, Jaden. What's wrong? What's going on, dude?
Are you on camera?
Yeah. You're on the camera, boy. Cause you keep reeling, buddy. Keep reeling. Walk back. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. I see him. Yep, I see him. Oh, this is good pompano, Jaden. Keep reeling. Reel. Real walk. Yes, sir. That's a pompano, buddy. He's a keeper. Put that in the rod holder. All right, buddy. He is small. Go ahead and release him.
Why is that big of a fight?
There you go.
This is a strong guy.
Hold it. They're gonna shop you. Take a picture first. Alright, this is number 3 one. Come on, mommy. Come on. That's a pompano, y'all. Shoot it at me. Really? Cắn với mà, cắn với chứ mà còn thơ à, mà trâu chẳng mà nè, bên này à, chẳng má à, đa được thằng một tí. Vâng tí chứ, thay bên tí là bên lư chứ là thay tí rồi. Còn lươn phết. Trái thác tí mà vừa bên rải lư bên nhọp chẳng thay bên tí mà. Put my wife on first ever Pompano 2025. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Nice catch, Mom.
That's the keeper.
Oh, it's red. That's your
Where's Pompano, Mom?
Put it on there. It's kind of small.
Pompano in your life.
Don't say that.
Here, take a picture.
That's your TV, Mom.
Ui, giật một đầy.
You can put that in the song.
My first one ever.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ủa vậy?
Oh, this fight's good. Tied it up a little bit. Honey, stop. Put up there like this. No, put it in between your leg. There you go. Mommy's on the second one, y'all. Jaden, hey, get back. That's a good fight, though. This is good fish. 10 foot over the bar with 4,000 pen bottle 3. Really soft for the kids and the girl. Keep walk down. Easy, ta đang lại nó kia riêng mổ mày kia đi dưới rồi. Đạch bạch. Riêng mà riêng đó, đa. Bột nó. So small.
Oh, what the hell? Nó màn, cái màn in vậy?
10.
Do màn in bàn kèo vô.
11. Đấy pha.
Quá lắm.
Anh ấy là 11 đây. 12 cái gì?
Mới đã mới rửa bay đặt mới.
Nó vô mẹ bò nó không người ta bảo không ai para.
Anh ấy thầm ní hay thầm nè? Thầm nè. Cái bọt ra cả tôi vậy. Cái bên vô cả tôi ní.
Ok.
Nó khó đó nè, cái nó vẫn in à. Quá in.
It's 11 and half.
Ha.
Mình dọn keep ba này. Keep up? Yeah. Y'all, we are wrapping up right now. We only caught 4 pompano, 2 for Jaden, 2 for wifey, and that's it. And after that, the last catch was like 3:30, and after that, nothing, completely nothing, dead, nothing going on at all. So yeah, we're gonna call it and gonna go home, get on some dinner, and headed to the movie. And here we go. Thank you guys for always support, and thank you so much for watching. And go ahead and jump into the first clip that Jaden catch other fish too as well. And yeah, so thank you y'all, and I appreciate y'all so much. And until now, I'll see you guys next video.